In case you haven't yet discovered this awesome format string feature, you can add equal to after an expression to get both the expression and the result in the output. Let us see some examples. I'll declare num1 as 42 and num2 as 7. Previously, you had to type the expression twice so that you can see the expression and the result in the output. With this new feature, what you can do is after the expression, which is num1 plus num2 in this case, you can just add a equal to sign. So now you get both the expression and the result of this expression in the output. So let us see another example. Num1 plus num2 into 10. So expression and the result are both displayed. You can extend this to any expression. So let us see an example with a function. I'm going to use a very simple function is_odd, which returns a boolean result depending on whether the input number is odd or even. So return bool of n modulo 2. So now let us check this function. So I'm going to pass 42 to this particular function. So you can see the expression and the result together. Another example. So this time the result is true. Hope you enjoy this tip.